If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Ooh! I already love the piano. I already love the piano, yo. Got chills. Already. Ooh. What just happened? What just happened? I need to put away my carrot cake right now because I feel like I might knock it over from just the epicness. Hold up. That transition was fire. This is literally him just saying, "Welcome to my world." Oh my god.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not ever been done before, unafraid to reference or not reference, put it in a blender, shit on it, vomit on it, eat it, give birth to it.
Bro, I'm speechless. This is dope. This is like theatrical feel too. Did I breathe? No, I didn't breathe once. I had to remind myself to breathe. Like, yeah, like. Ooh, the backup dancers too. The dancers.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
God damn. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, the guitar in the background too. Oh, the piano too. It's just beautiful. You know what? That was dope. It tricked me. I went like this because I thought I was trying to predict that it was gonna go boom, ah, but then it just went dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, I couldn't predict that. That's even better. Ooh. I need to see TVXQ live stage before I die. That's all I gotta say. What the hell? His vocals. Holy like, oh my god. What's up, Karen? What's up, Bryce? Woo. Ooh! The camera work. I got way too excited, I'm sorry. With the fire! That is fire! Ooh, the fire! The piano! Ah! Ah! That's so dope. Thank you for the shout out. want to show this to people. I need to show this to Salvi. I wonder if Salvi. Oh, clap it up, Chad. That was epic. That was epic. Performance, the vocal, the instrumental, the guitar, the piano, the dancers. That was beautiful. I like that. I like that a lot. A lot. The album, bruh. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex